Single mothers, be careful with your friends' advices. Other friends, they can advise you. You have to find a man who can give you money to pay the house bills, because you can't pay the house bills or to send your kids to school alone. You have to believe in God, because to find a man who can give you money, it's lucky. Maybe your friend have got lucky to find a man who can support you, but you don't have lucky to find a man who can give you money. So you have to be careful. It's better to believe in God to give you a better job, your business, to have got customers, to take care of your kids, to pay the bills at end of the month. Don't believe in men who say, I have to find a man who can give me money. Yes, you can find a man, but it's lucky. Other men are very stingy. Maybe you don't have lucky to have men who can give you money. All the men you are dating, they don't give you money. So don't take that kind of advices, because your friend have got lucky. Maybe your friend have lucky to find all of the men they give you money. So you have to be careful about other advices. Don't believe on a person, because a human being can change. You can find a man today who can support you. Guys, a man is a human being, can go broke. How he can go broke? So you have to find another man. You are sleeping with different men because you can't pay your house bills. Don't take the kind of advice. You have to learn to pay your house bills, because there is time, there is difficult times. Guys, God knows that you want to take care of your kids. Your kids want to eat, want to go to school. Guys, God can give you a better job. God can give you a better salary or a better business minded. So you have to know that. Don't believe in people. Even other advices, don't take it. Your friend can tell you that. Maybe you ask food to your friend, or you say, I don't have money. Your friend can say, you can't come and want food from me. You have to find a man who can help you. So if you have got a problem again, don't ask a help to that person. You have to keep quiet, pray to God. God can bring people. There is other guys, women will help each other. Guys, especially women. Men, they don't help women. When you saw a man who can help women, he wants something from you, but God can send another person who can help you with food, or maybe you are lacking clothes for the kids. Other people, they bring clothes for your kids. God knows that you want something, can send someone to bring food for your kids, to give you money. That person doesn't want to sleep with you.